Well, I played cards in England and I gambled in Spain. Going back to West Virginia, gonna play my last game. Jack of diamonds, I know you from old. You robbed my poor pockets of silver and gold. If the river was whiskey and I was a duck, I'd dive to the bottom and I'd never come up. But the river ain't whiskey and I ain't a duck, so I play drunkard's hiccups and rely on dumb luck.